Welcome to Pixel Pulse, where we restore, create, and discover, bringing every detail to life.
You've been quiet all night. Just thinking about my mom. Things aren't good. You can't carry the whole world, Nate. Feels like I have to.
Detectives in training, remember?
Yeah, one day.
I'm gonna check on her. Call me if you need anything.
Susie. Open up.
I told you not to come back.
I just want to help.
Your help almost killed me.
You need this.
What's in the box?
Nothing for kids like you.
Come on, Junior, let's go. But
Now.
Mom, you okay?
I'm fine, baby, just tired.
She'll be okay.
She'll be okay.
You promise? We need to take her now. Don't take my mom!
She'll get better, I know she will.
I've got you. Always. Don't let her leave. You two come stay with us. No arguing.
Thank you, man.
You're slower than you used to be. Still stronger.
Something about Mom's death wasn't right. I think someone hurt her.
You can talk to me.
21 days, family, huh?
You didn't get this from me. You'll get your cut.
worth every risk. Should have stayed out my way.
Dad.
Look at you.
Dad.
Look at you. We can talk, right? Later. Business first. Please don't hurt me.
Please don't hurt me.
Safe. Combination. Bring it.
Dad. What are you doing? This isn't life. This is murder.
It's business.
You're not my father. Nate has to see this. Loose ends?
Handle.
Junior!
End it now!
Nate.
Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you next time.